carpet here. Oh, what is all that red stuff? What the hell? I have no idea. All that junk I think was from the last job, but man, you guys like seeing stuff fly out of the carpet, so there you go, or out of the CRB. It was interesting because on the last job I kept seeing some like red type of material everywhere. That looks like it. Look how crushed and flat this carpet. This carpet's dirty. I'm very curious what that red stuff is, though. I saw a lot of it on the tile of the last job. Came right off. Just not sure what it is. But I did run this over a few of the rooms. So I most likely collected some kind of junk. Interesting. I'm not worried about it staying in the carpet. It's polyester, so it'll clean out, but I'm just curious as to what it is. Interesting. Alright, get the machine sped up, get some spotter, and start cleaning.